Hello, welcome to AJs Academy. In this class we are gonna learn about operators. So what are operators? Special symbols that are used to perform actions or operations are known as operators. We will study 4 types of operators, which are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators. First of all, we are going to study about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations, such as addition, subtraction, etc. Few of the simple arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. We all know their purpose and how they are used in simple mathematics. Their purpose and functionality are same. Let's see their implementation in C. We are going to Dev C++ screen now. I am wording a simple program to let you know about arithmetic operators. Here I am adding the value of a variable and B variable. Let's see the output. And the output is correct. Let's try changing the operator. Now I am multiplying the values of A and B. Look, the output is again accurate, because when we will multiply 2 with 4 the answer will be 8 and it's here. So hope you understood arithmetic operators. Now let's learn about relational operators. Relational operators are used for the comparison between 2 or more numbers. Same as Java, C also has 6 relational operators, and their return value is in Boolean, either true or false or 1 or 0. 1 for true, and 0 for false. Few relational operators are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, is equal to, is not equal to. Let's go to Dev C++ again. Now let's understand how the relational operators work. First I am trying A is equals to B. See what is the result. So it's 0, it means it's false. Now let's try not equals to. And it's 1, it means it's true. Similarly, try A is less than B. And so on. Now let's understand logical operators. There are 3 logical operators. First and, second or, and third is not. They can be used to compare Boolean values but are mostly used to compare conditions to see whether they are satisfying or not. Now let's understand their work. Firstly, AND. It returns true when both operators are true or 1. Now, OR. It returns true when either operator is true or 1. And the last one, NOT. It is used to reverse the logical state of the operand. Their symbolic representations are given as for an operator, for OR operator, for NOT operator. Now let's try these practically. We are trying OR operator. As we know that OR operator will print true or 1 when any of the above values is true or 1. So see, it worked and printed 1, which means true. So our today's final topic is assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values. They are going to be used in most of our programs. In this program, equal to is the assignment operator, assigning 0 to A, and 1 to B. Now let's see other assignment operators. Equals to. It assigns values from right side operands to left side operand. Plus and equals to. It adds the right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Minus and equals to. It subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Multiply and equals to. It multiplies the right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Divide and equals to. It divides the left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Now let's create a simple arithmetic program, in which we will add, subtract, divide, and multiply the given values. So here we are using \n. What is this \n? This \n is the new line operator. Wherever we will add this \n, it will break the line and will start from new line. So, these are few of the important operators that you should know before starting actual programming. There are also many other operators such as an bitwise percentage or pointer. I will let you know their details when working with them. But the few defined above will be used frequently, so you must know about them. You do not have to remember them all, as you can open the tutorial anytime again when required. So hope you all understood today's class. And if you like this video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.